What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick video, I'll show you how to unlock a workbench in Grounded 2. First of all, we need to analyze a grass plank at a resource analyzer. So find yourself a blade of grass, chop it down, then when it falls and breaks into bits, grab one of these, head to the nearest resource analyzer, and analyze the equipment you're hauling down here. Just like that, once we've done this, we'll have it unlocked. So we can now hit B to build a workbench, choose it right here, and we'll need 3 grass planks. So 3 here. You'll also need a couple of sprigs, which are these little plants that spawn around the place, as well as some sap, which you'll find generally around roots and things like that. There's one up there, for example, but there's a lot more that you can actually reach pretty much everywhere. Once you've grabbed enough of each resource, B, choose what you want, and choose a place to put it down. I'll put this, say, here to get started. Once we put it down, we'll need to hit E a few times or hold E to build it all in one go. That's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.